Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emma. I've been thinking about improving my English, but I don't have much time. Is there a way to do it in, 30 minutes a day?
Absolutely, Jasveer. You can totally boost your English skills with just 30 minutes a day. The key is to make every minute count.
Sounds good, but what should I focus on? I don't know where to start.
Well, you can break it down into different parts. Maybe start with 10 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of speaking, and 10 minutes of reading or writing.
That makes sense. So, for listening, what should I listen to?
Podcasts are great. You can find ones that match your level and interests. Or you can listen to short news clips or even songs. The idea is to get used to the natural flow of English.
I like that. I could listen to a podcast on my way to work. But what about speaking? I don't have anyone to practice with all the time.
No problem. You can practice by talking to yourself. I know it sounds funny, but it works. Describe what you're doing, your plans for the day, or even what you see around you.
Talking to myself, huh? People might think I'm a bit crazy.
Maybe, but who cares? You're improving your English. And if you want to make it more interactive, try recording yourself and then listening to see how you can improve.
That's a cool idea. I can hear my mistakes and fix them. What about the last 10 minutes? Should I just read a book?
Reading's great. But mix it up, read short articles, social media posts, or even text messages. And for writing, try keeping a daily journal. Just jot down a few sentences about your day.
That sounds doable. And I guess over time, it'll really add up, right?
Exactly. Consistency is key. 30 minutes a day might not seem like much, but it can make a huge difference over time.
You're right. And it's not too overwhelming. I think I can handle that.
Definitely. And don't forget to have fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the easier it'll be to stick with it.
I'm feeling motivated now. I'll start today. Thanks, Emma. You've always got the best advice.
Anytime, Jasveer. I'm excited to see how much you'll improve. Just remember, keep it fun and stay curious.
Will do. And maybe in a few weeks, we can have another chat in English to see how I've progressed.
I'd love that. Keep up the great work, and we'll check in soon.
You got it. Thanks again, Emma. Talk to you later.
Later, Jisphere. Happy learning. Alright, so what's next on our list of daily conversations?
How about the classic, what's for dinner? It's something we all ask, right?
Oh, for sure. You could also mix it up with, what should we have for dinner, or wanna order in tonight?
Perfect examples. And it's super practical too. Conversations like these help with decision-making vocab. And you get to use words like cook, order, and choose.
Exactly. And speaking of food, ever noticed how much we talk about it? It's like the universal topic that everyone loves.
So true. And that brings up another good practice sentence. What did you eat for lunch? It's simple, but it keeps the conversation going.
Yeah, and it opens up more dialogue. You can describe what you had, where you ate, even who you were with.
Adds more depth, right? Let's not forget the classic, how was your day? It's basic, but it can lead to all kinds of interesting conversations.
That one's a must. And you can mix it up by asking, what was the best part of your day? Or did anything exciting happen today?
I love that. It makes people think a bit more about their day instead of just saying, it was fine.
And it helps practice past tense, which is essential in English.
Exactly. Plus, it's just a nice way to connect with someone. So, what else should we add?
How about what time should we leave? It's practical, especially if you're planning something with friends or family.
Great one. It's also good for learning how to talk about time and schedules.
Yep. And it's also an opportunity to practice phrases like let's meet at, or I'll be there at.
All right, we've covered a lot. These are all simple but super useful daily English conversations.